Hello everybody! Today I have a brand new subscription box to unbox. It's my first time trying it and it's called the Mix and Match box. So recently I've seen a couple other YouTubers unboxing the Mix and Match box and I thought, looks pretty good, so I ordered one. It took about 3 weeks from when I ordered it for it to get to me. I believe the first time you place an order, it does take a little bit longer. You get matched with a stylist who emails you. And she's been keeping me up to date on the progress for my box. I know they have to order the clothes. But anyway, Mix and Match, if you hadn't heard of it before, it is another of those online styling services, very similar to Stitch Fix. I'll also put information down in the description box below, which describes the service and also has my referral link in case you want to use it. With Mix and Match though, you actually have two options. And the first option is called the Go For It box, which is the one that I got. And that is an on-demand box. If you don't want to commit to a subscription, it might be a good way to try the service without a commitment. With the Go For It box, you get charged an upfront $25 styling fee that is non-refundable, and you are sent 6 items. You have 5 days to try everything on and decide what to keep. If you do keep all 6 items, you get 25% off the entire purchase. The second option with Mix and Match is called Take a Chance box. This is a monthly subscription, so you have to commit to subscribing for at least 3 months at a minimum, and it costs $105.99 per month, and that includes a $25 styling fee. So with the Take a Chance box, you're sent 4 items of clothing, and supposedly it has a minimum retail value of $175. So you're getting $175 plus worth of clothing for $105.99. So it does sound like that's a pretty good deal. So depending on how this box goes, I might consider switching over to that maybe sometime in the future, but we'll see. I just want to see how things go. So that's pretty much Mix and Match in a nutshell, and this is a pretty substantial box that I got. It's probably the biggest subscription box I've ever gotten, and it's not only big, it's heavy. Okay, so anyway, let's get ahead with the unboxing. So here is what it looks like in the box, and they have everything nicely wrapped in bundles. So I have, this is I guess the information. Let's take a look. I have 2 bundles, and I'll just kind of pull them out. So, and they're pretty heavy bundles, and it has a nice little sticker there. Okay, so let's take a look at the information first. Ooh, there's a lot of information. It keeps coming. Okay, so they did send me a mailer. Let's see what it says. Oh, they have a payment plan, and it just has information for how to check out. There's a lot of information. Okay, this looks like it's the invoice. And here's a letter from my stylist, and my stylist is Alexis. And she seemed really nice. I mean, that's one thing. I feel really almost like I know her because we email back and forth. So, wow, she's sending me 10 pieces to choose from. So, of the 10 pieces, I only need to keep 6 to get the 25% off. So actually, that's kind of a nice thing that they send you some options. Okay, all right, well, let's go ahead and see what I got. I saw this on Southern Yankees video, and I just love this sweater. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's got this pink collar. It's kind of a nice oatmeal color. Wow, this is very pretty. Size small medium, and it's by the brand Orange Creek. And the second item, wow. This is a pair of Liverpool. Ooh, Liverpool is a great brand. Looks like skinny jeans. And they are penny ankle skinnies in the color Roan Rogue. Size 6 petite. Yeah, these are very nice. And I do not have any jeans this color, so very nice. Okay, another pair of Liverpool jeans. And these are a nice dark wash. And these are also in the size 6 petite. And it does say $79. So very nice. So 2 pairs of jeans and a sweater so far. Here is, oh, it's a very pretty blouse. And it's by Blooms in the City. And this is actually a size small. Oh, this is very nice. I don't think I have anything like this, actually. Yeah. Next is a sweater top. This is actually pretty. It's by Doe and Ray. This is a size small also. It has kind of a nice, I don't know if you can see, like a metallic. It's actually $38, but it's very pretty. All right, keep going. And I have another, ooh, so many sweaters. And it's by the brand PROMESA, size medium, $45. And this is a nice lighter weight sweater. And I could totally wear this probably with some black pants maybe, and this would be nice for the office. Keep going. I saw this blouse also in Southern Yankees video, and it is this, oh, I really like this top. And it's by VANEUL, and it's size medium and $32. Very pretty. And then I have another top. This is by GILLI, and it is $35, size small. And you'll see it's that mixed media where it's kind of knit material, and in the back it has like this kind of different print in the background, and it's really, really cute. I like this. Okay, and here's another top, kind of similar to the other one. Is this also by GILLI? Yeah, it's also by GILLI. Kind of the same style. Size small, $37. And again, mixed media sweater with this kind of print in the back. Okay, and the last item in my mix and match box. Oh, this is very nice also. It's by LELIS, and it's kind of an embroidered top. Very nice. Size medium, $39. And oh, look at this. Beautiful. I mean, it's got these kind of interesting sleeves. But anyway, yes, so this is very pretty. Okay, so that's everything I got in my ginormous mix and match box this month, or my first box ever. So I'm gonna go and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. So, hold on. Okay, so here is the oatmeal sweater, and it's really pretty. It's a chunky knit. It's a little big on me, but not too bad. I think it works as an oversized sweater. And then these are the jeans. These are the Liverpool jeans, and they fit really well. They're stretchy. I have a ton of skinny jeans though, but I don't have anything in this exact color. I actually have 2 pairs of burgundy jeans, but they're not like this faded wash. And yeah, so very nice. Okay, next I have this blouse it's called Bloom in the City is the brand, and it's very nice. It's pretty comfortable. It's stretchy. It's a little bit on the low side, so for me, I'd probably wear something under it, like a cami or something. And it has kind of an interesting, kind of a blousey look and a cross. And then here are the second pair of jeans she sent, also by Liverpool. And these are just kind of a nice, basic dark wash, and it fits really well. And I would say these are pretty flattering, actually. So yeah, these are definitely nice. There goes my dog. These, I think they said they're called the Dream jeans. So apparently they are premium-like qualities with a sophisticated look. Okay, so that's the second outfit. Okay, next I have another sweater, and this one has tab sleeves, which is kind of nice. And I don't know if it's coming out, you have like the sparkly gold thread, and it's striped. And here it is. Pretty cute. Okay, next we have another sweater, and this one actually is the Colorblock sweater. It's a nice light knit. It's cute. I don't think I own anything Colorblock, so. But anyway, yeah, so here's the next sweater. I got a bunch of sweaters. The next top, and it has a crisscross detail. It has a very pretty print and kind of an interesting balloon sleeve, I think. So yeah, it's actually really cute. I like it. Okay, so next I have this top, and it's beautiful, and it's in navy with a 3/4 sleeve. It has these kind of little ties here, and you'll see that it's embroidered. This is really pretty. This is definitely a keeper. I actually love this. So this is a mixed media sweater top from GILLI. So you'll see in the back it has kind of an interesting print, and this is actually in a size small. So it's okay. I kind of like things a little looser, but it does fit. And it's a pretty burgundy color. Yeah, I'm not sure what the material in the back is, but yeah, it's cute. Okay, so here is the last item, which is another top, and it's basically the same style of top as the previous one, except in a different color. So you see, this is what it looks like. The other one was more of a burgundy color, and this one is a green, and it has the same kind of interesting detail on the shoulders. But yeah, that's the last item. Yeah, so that was everything I got in my first ever mix and match box, and I actually was pretty happy with most of the items. I don't think I'll be keeping all 10. That would be kind of a lot of money for me, $355 if I kept all 10 items. But, you know, that comes out to $35 per item, which isn't a bad price point. Also, I noticed my styling fee was only $5, so I do believe there was a coupon. If I can find it, I'll put it in the description box below. There was a $20 off. Normally the styling fee is $25, so I got the styling fee for $5. But let me know what you thought of the items in my box. I hope you found this video somewhat enjoyable and hopefully informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel for more unboxing videos. I'm also working on a haul video and review of Jane.com. I recently purchased a few things, or a bunch of things actually, from there, and I'm still working on my video, but I'm hoping to get it up real soon. Anyway, take care, thanks for watching, and bye now.